Sana masasabi sila ng totoo, guys. Bakit hindi sila nag-English? Parang nababaliwag na ako dito, guys. Ang layo na nalakad ko, guys. Hindi ko na talaga alam.
You go with me by the pass up.
So guys, eto na, nalabas na ako ng immigration. Init. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ako pupunta ngayon, pero I'm thinking na maghahanap ako ng bus. Smooth naman yung proseso ng immigration dito sa Cambodia. Bilis lang. Talagang walang halong keme. May mga ano dito, mga lumalapit. Ayoko na may mga lumalapit, guys. Alam mo namang allergic ako sa may mga lumalapit. Punta muna ako doon sa may stop. Tawid ako. Ang init! Diyos ko, parang si Mana Santa sa atin. Wait lang. Ayoko na may lumalapit, guys, kasi orkot ako sa mga, alam mo yun, scammers and all. Pero totally hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ako pupunta. Pero ayoko magpahalata na hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Kasi baka ma-scam tayo for today's video. Diba? Crown Casino. May casino pala dito. Okay. Nagtatanong ako. Excuse me. Bus station. Bus. Over there. The back. Back. Bus. Think. Okay. So yung bus station. Sana masasabi sila ng totoo, guys. Bakit hindi sila nag-English? Bakit? Ano ba problema na? Charot. May issue. Holiday place. There's holiday place. May Starbucks. Gusto ng Starbucks na tayo, guys. Hindi natin nagmamadali eh. Ayun. Ayan sana. Office of the International Border Checkpoint of Poi Pet. Ayan. Punta muna tayo sa Starbucks, guys, kasi gusto kong coffee. Gusto kong mag-cinnamon. Cinnamon. Pero nagpapalamig lang talaga tayo. You have cinnamon bun? Cinnamon? You have? No? No cinnamon. Nalabas na ako, guys. So, guys, hahanapin natin yung bus stop. Ayoko dun sa isang, parang manggagancho kasi siya. Hahanapin natin yung bus stop para doon tayo sumakay papuntang Siem Reap. Okay? Guys, hanap tayo ng bus stop. Bus stop. Sabi nila dito sa likod yung bus stop. Totoo ba? Ano ang bus dito? So guys, sobrang dami talaga na lumalapit dito ng mga, alam mo yun, nag-aalok ng papuntang Siem Reap. Nakakatakot kasi yan sila. Baka may pagbigay ng malaking charge, di ba? This is Cambodia. Tatanong tayo doon sa guard. Sa mga guard, compared sa mga taong nag-aalok-alok lang na kahit ano-ano. So guys, this is Cambodia. I'm in Cambodia. Can't you believe that I am in Cambodia? Excuse me, bus station going to Siem Reap. Bus station. Bus station going to Siem Reap.
Go to Siem Reap?
Bus.
Yeah, I know, bus. We have 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
Yeah.
Where is the bus? Over there?
Yellow. See, logo.
Okay.
Logo, yellow bus.
Blue building. Okay. Thank you. You see many Filipinos here?
Yeah, we have. Working here.
You are Cambodian?
Yeah, Cambodia.
Okay. Is that a bus?
Yeah, we have
What time?
We have bus on the bus.
How much is the bus? Ako mukhang emit to, nakakatakot. Guys, wala silang fix na ano. I'll go to Poi Pet bus stop for now.
Yeah?
Okay. Thank you.
Can take a motor?
No, no, it's not. It's okay, it's okay. Yung iba, hindi na naghihintay ng bus kasi nga, sobrang init. As in, malala ang init talaga yung Cambodia. Hindi basta-basta. Parang OA sa init. Oh. Whew. Guys, I just keep on talking ha, talking and talking ha, for me to get busy. Kasi pag hindi ako busy, ang dami nilang pa-offer. Ano ko naman yung health nyo, pero sana yung health na alam mo yun, yung authentic na health, di ba? Parang nababaliwag na ako dito, guys. Pupunta na lang ako doon kung saan man ako dalhin ang papa ko. Charot! Ang layo na nilalakad ko, guys. Hindi ko na talaga alam. So guys, yun na nga. Wala namang bus mga ganitong oras. So guys, ito nakabili na ako ng ticket. It's 400 baht. Hinagat ko na, di ba? Ending, hinagat ko na din yung 400 baht. So it's a van. A Highlander Toyota something. 400 to Siem Reap. At least ano na siya. Kasi nakaka-haggard na din pag naghanap po tayo na. Basta ang init-init na. Mukhang legit naman siya. 400 baht. Kasi parang private company siya. If you want to see, that's the name. Linda Transport here in Cambodia. It's 400 baht. Okay, so guys, we are already here inside the van going to Siem Reap. So I am with some Cambodian people here and the driver. And then I met someone here. Hello, we say hello. So Cambodian, they are from Siem Reap. They live in Siem Reap. So they are locals of Siem Reap. Okay, so it's very hot in Cambodia. Right now the temperature is so high. So guys, it's going to be like 2 to 3 hours travel from here in Poi Phet going to Siem Reap. Okay, so I'll talk to you again later. Bye guys. So guys, legit talaga na sobrang dami nga talagang nag-o-offer dito sa may Cambodia-Thailand na border ng mga transport service going to Siem Reap. Like, mag-charge sila ng 800 baht or 700 baht. So, wala silang fix na rate talaga dito sa sa border. Even itong private car or vehicle na nakuha ko for 400 baht, meron pa rin akong trust issue. Kaya sa buong duration ng biyahe ko dito for 2 to 3 hours going to Siem Reap, hindi talaga ako natulog. Tamang hinala talaga ako. Kasi ako lang yung tourist dito sa biyahe na to eh. So ayun, matsyag-matsyag lang ako habang bumabiyahe papuntang Siem Reap.
Ngày gói hoàn vẹn trắng, ngày gói Việt Nam ta của MC tiền. Lỗ.
Dinrap na kami dito sa may Caltex, guys. Hindi na kami dinrap dun sa may hotel ko, pero meron ako kasama, tutulungan niya ako na magpunta sa hotel. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. How?
You go with me by the pass up. You stay with maybe 1 kilometer from my house.
I will walk.
No, it's far, maybe 3 or 4 kilometers.
Okay.
Okay, pass up.
Is it okay? Two people?
Okay.
Okay.
Pass up, okay, same. Yeah. Sir?
Okay, so parang merong app sila dito. Pass up.
Yeah,
Pass up. Pass up, parang Grab car, something ganyan. Is it a car or motor?
It's
Same.
same.
Okay. So parang ganong sasakyan pero naka-app. How much is the
I don't know when the arrive. So here is the most of the pass up.
center?
Yeah, same like Thai, most of Grab.
Okay.
Here, most of the pass up.
Okay.
Like Grab, same.
So yan yung pass up, guys. Yan yung pass up. So, So we are on Pass Up. I don't know kung magkano yung bayad dito sa Pass Up.
Dal
Labdi.
what na? Mat, mukmat what na ba? Lobday. Hotel Lobday.
Hindi ko alam kung magkano itong Pass Up na to. How much? How much?
No, that's okay.
Ah.
I pay auto pay with the app. Auto pay with the app. That's okay.
How much?
No, no problem. No problem.
Uy! So guys, yun nga, yung Pass Up. Ano kami ng Pass Up. Parang tricycle lang ganyan. Nilibre niya ako. Siya na daw bahalang magbayad. Anyway, i-drop over lang naman ako dun sa Labdi na station. Napakabait yan, di ba? Ano ba to? Ba't ayaw maglak? Oh, there's a magic. Ayan guys. So, eto na yung city ng ano, Siem Reap. Maliit na siya na city. Parang Tagbilaran City lang sa Bohol. Danzo. Danzo. You're a DJ?
Yeah.
DJ?
DJ.
Where do you work? In the pub?
This pub street.
Yes, pub street. You work there?
You know Khao Road?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, same thing like that.
Oh,
Yeah, pub street.
okay. You work there?
Yeah, I work over there.
Okay. What's the name of the bar?
Next bar.
Up.
Rooftop. Yeah.
Rooftop. There.
Yeah. I come here tonight.
Okay. DJ pala siya sa bar na yun guys. Oh, sa rooftop na yun. How old are you?
I'm
20?
20. Yeah.
Oh, you are half my age. I am 40. Mm. Half my age. So guys, parang gusto kong tikman later yung ano, yung ang tawag dyan, mga street food. Oh, parang ang sasarap. Parang very ano, India, Nepal, Pakistan, ang datingan. Ang parang saya dito. Mas gusto ko dito kaya sa Bangkok. Char. Medyo may amoy na yung ano ni Kuya ha. Pero titiis ko lang. Char. Yung Drew Barrymore. Medyo may ano na siya. Medyo may bakas na ng buong maghapong pagtatrabaho. Pawis niya. Malapit na ata. I think malapit na yung Lab D. Kaya na ata yun. I'm not sure. Ay, may mga ATM dito malapit. Malalakad ko to later. Sure ako, malalakad ko to later. Lakad-lakad lang. You can walk around. Walk around.
Yeah,
Here.
From the Lovely to pub street, you can walk.
It's okay to walk, right?
Yeah, like maybe 1 kilometer.
Oh, it's okay.
That's my house over there.
Where? Over there?
I hope that I can go.
That's the Labdi.
Yeah, this Lovely.
Oh, yes, I see the Labdi. Dan, thank you so much, Dan. Say thank you to Dan, guys. Say thank you to Dan. He's very good, very good. Bye-bye. Thank you. Ayun, si Dan. Dami tao. This is Labdi. Labdi, Cambodia, Siem Reap. Ayan. So, Labdi, Cambodia, Siem Reap. Let's go to the reception. Ang daming foreigners. Cool, dude. Where is the...
Hello, how are you?
Hi, good. Checking in?
Are you checking in?
Yes.
It will be straight there and on the right.
On the right side.
Yeah, go
Ah,
straight and on the right.
thank you. Thank
Welcome to
you.
Labdi.
Okay. I'm checking in, guys. Here. Ang dami. Foreigners dito, guys. Puro mga otok. Sus ko. Oh my goodness. I'm checking in for a reservation for Hostel World. Okay. Okay, so I give my passport.
This is for passport welcome drink. We have welcome drink behind you in the fridge.
Oh, I see. Welcome drink.
You can take it by
Which one?
So the white one and the green one is soy milk,
Oh,
and this one is smooth water, and this one is rose latte.
tea. Oh, okay. I think I like the green one. They have like welcome drink, guys. So, parang matcha siya. Oh. Guys, let's try this one.
If you like, you can take one.
Okay. It's good. It's good. Okay, so hintayin lang natin na check yung verify niya yung name natin doon. So I think we can also work here. We can work here sa parang working area nila. Over here. There. Okay. Wait lang guys. So you have to fill up some papers, no? Philippines. Here. It's good. Here's the pen. Okay. So wait lang natin guys na maka-check-in tayo, ha? Yeah, thank you for the recommendation. Thank you for the reminders. Okay, so guys, we already have our room number. It's 3214. It's 3214. Okay. So it's on the 3rd floor. It's room 321. I am going to have bed number 4. So there is an elevator here. Parang ang saya ng Love D na ano. Ang saya ng Love D na vibe dito. It's giving like party talaga kasi may pool dito. Calling Cassie Andresan. Just kung magugustuhan nyo dito, Cassie Andresan. I am sure of that. So elevator muna tayo guys. Nasa number 2 pa yung elevator. It's still on number 2. 3, ay umakyat pa siya. Maybe it's going to open now. And it's opening now, guys. And then now we are going to press number 3 for the 3rd floor. And then that's G. Okay. Is it 3?
3.
Oh, thank you. 306, 321. Ang laki pala dito, guys. Tignan mo ang haba, oh. Oh my goodness. 306, 311, 313. Okay. 321. 321. 19. 21. Oh, this is 321. Okay. So 321. 321. Let's keep quiet. So guys, naputol yung vlog ko kasi nalobat na yung DJI ko. So chinarge ko muna siya dito sa loob ng bunk bed. Lumabas ako saglit to eat some Cambodian food. Dumaan ako sa may pub street nila na sobrang saya din ng vibe. After kong kumain sa may pub street nila, bumalik na din ako sa hostel. Meron pala silang libreng drinks dito guys. Like 1 glass of beer during the social hour which is 7 p.m. where you can be able to like socialize with other guests. Meron silang pa-demo kung paano gumawa ng local drinks nila dito sa Cambodia. So yun lang muna guys for now. Pahinga na kasi pagoda si Akla. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, that's good. I like that.
It's all different word in Cambodian, so you can learn it. And then it's easy when you go in pubs, and you can say, in the restaurant, you know what I mean? Alright, first can we start? I'm gonna give you a name tag first.
Can you show me?
Okay.
Hello. Hello, it's Thursday. Thursday, thank you.
Thursday.
Orkun.
Sounds like Thursday.
Thursday. Or Orkun.
Orkun.
No, thank you. Ot-80 Orkun.
What country are you from?
Philippines. I'm
Okay.
Filipino.
Yes, yes.